Today's video was brought to you by eWin Racing, the best source for gaming chairs and desks for those long gaming sessions. We have a playlist of our eWin chair and desk videos linked in the video description below. Save 30% off of everything using the discount code TechDeals. More details at the end of the video.
Should I wait for the 5900X to be in stock or get the 3900X? How much will I be losing? Still waiting for an RX 6800, current laptop specs, i7 3630QM, GTX 670M, planning to stream and game, 2 monitors.
Why are you waiting for a RX 6800? Go buy one.
Well, he's in Canada. He's in that Canada place.
See if this is real. This looks real. This actually says it's the real thing. Original packaging. Positive feedback. 930.
Sterling, Virginia.
Yeah, that's probably real.
74.
So $930 RX 6800. Go buy one. They're not getting cheaper. You're not. There it is. If you hunt and hunt and hunt and hunt and hunt and hunt and hunt, and if you click and hit F5 and you hit refresh and you search and you search and you search and you get it for $850 instead of $930.
And it took you a month.
Or three.
Or three.
Is the $80.
Leave Canada.
There comes a point at where that's the entire point of this stream. These are the prices now.
Correct.
Wishing for them to be different. I mean, granted, again, if you get lucky, if you want to play the F5 refresh game, if you want to check stores every day, what's your time worth? There comes a point at where this is the market price. Do you buy it or do you go without? Are you okay to wait 6 months? Let's say, for the sake of discussion, 6 months from now, RX 6800s are available for $700. $230 less than this. Will it have been worth $230 saved if it's August or July before you can buy one? Now, some of you will say, yeah, I'll wait till August to save $230. Then do that. Maybe it'll be sooner. Maybe it'll be December. I'll ask the Magic 8 Ball if you want. All I'm saying is today, right now, this is what they cost. And while it will certainly change in the future, I don't see this changing in the next couple of months, the next 3 months.
No.
I mean, Bitcoin would have to completely just come to pieces. I don't know. Maybe it will. Anything can happen. Mm-hmm. You could get hit by a bus tomorrow, and then you should have bought it today.
Exactly.
eWin Racing has a wide selection of chairs to fit all shapes and sizes of gamers, ranging from petite to cuddly. They have something for every type of gamer. Not just sizes, but colors and material options as well, including red, blue, purple, pink, orange, and more, plus cloth and leather choices. We have over half a dozen chair and desk videos in a playlist down in the video description below. We also have a very special offer just for Tech Deals viewers. Save 30% off of everything using discount code TechDeals using our link in the video description. We have used eWin gaming chairs for 3 years in our office, sitting on them for up to 8-hour marathon live streams. They are very comfortable, and we are happy to work with eWin to bring you this special discount and recommend eWin for all of your gaming chair and desk needs.